हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर चैनल 4S टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। 4S टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में आपका स्वागत है। एज यू कैन सी 80% ऑफ माय व्यूअर्स हैव नॉट येट सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। अगर आपको चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है, इफ यू आर गेटिंग सम इनसाइट्स फ्रॉम द चैनल एंड यू आर एबल टू कंसिस्टेंटली पार्टिसिपेट इन द मार्केट एंड मेक कंसिस्टेंट मनी, I urge you to sincerely subscribe to the channel. It definitely motivates me to bring more interesting content for you all so that you can benefit from the stock markets. So today we will discuss a few stocks. We will also look at some of our earlier positions that we have closed and which are running successfully. If you are busy right now, please save the video, and when you have 5 to 10 minutes, come back to it and watch it peacefully. Since we discuss a lot of important concepts and details about the position of the stock and the analysis behind it, I would not want you to miss any of the important aspects that may impact you in the stock markets. So let's quickly look at the position that we have closed. NMDC is a stock that I had discussed on 27th of April. If you have not seen the video, I will leave the link in the description. You can also click the eye icon here and visit the video. These are the two positions. The first one is through my trading account with Zerodha, and the second one is through my trading account with Angel Broking. As you are aware, I have started a live trade series with Angel Broking. So this was the third live trade that we had executed with NMDC, and in this trade we have successfully met our target. हमारी इसमें target 165 to 170 का range था, and if you can see here, we exited this stock at 165. In my personal capacity, I was holding more positions on NMDC, and you can see here this was my last target in the stock. So in Angel Broking we have approximately booked 15%, and in Zerodha I have booked about 30% in this stock. So I'll quickly take you to the charts. We will discuss the close positions. We will do the post-market analysis on these stocks, and we will look at the new recommendations for this week. So we are on the charts of NMDC. NMDC is a stock that I had recommended as part of the live trade series on 27th of April at a buy price of about 145. हमने इसमें 145 में entry ली थी, and if you can see from our buy point after this breakout, it gave a wonderful rally. Now in Angel Broking, I had given a target of 165 to 170. So as the stock approached here, we were approximately in 15% profits. So Angel Broking, because it is a small trading account that I'm trying to grow so that my retail traders and my fellow investors can follow and trade along with me, मैंने ये position वहाँ book कर दिया था. And in my personal capacity, I continued holding this position in my Zerodha account as my third target was 187. सो ऑन फ्राइडे जैसे ही इसने ये टारगेट अचीव किया, मैंने इसमें एग्जिट कर लिया, प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया. इफ यू कैन सी, वी बुक्ड अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30% इन दिस स्टॉक, दैट टू इन अ स्मॉल स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. सो ऑन 25th of April, I had recommended this stock, and if you can see, after this beautiful breakout, the stock gave a phenomenal rally. As of now, our open position is in a profit of 20%. As soon as this comes in the range of 3175 to 3200, I'm going to book my profits in this stock. As you can see, this is pure price action trading, my friends. इसमें हम कोई भी indicator use नहीं करते हैं. We trade naked charts here. So let's move on to this week's analysis. So our first stock is SBI. As you can see, it is respecting a beautiful trend line in the daily time frame. It has also given a breakout from a descending channel pattern. Let's go to a 1-hour time frame and further analyze this in detail. This stock is something that we had also discussed on 2nd of May. It has attempted to break this resistance level multiple times. It made an attempt here, it made an attempt here, and it also made an attempt here. So what we have to watch now, my friends, is for a successful breakout of this level or a breakout in the retest of this level. If that happens, then we will see a good upside in this stock. Another interesting thing I want you to notice here, the stock is consolidating in a symmetrical triangle pattern. If you see here, there's a decent consolidation here. Price contraction इसमें हो रहा है. Now if the stock breaks out on the upside, you can see a good up move. We have already identified our target levels here. Our first target is 385 in this stock. That is a good upside for a swing trade. There is also a potential for it to do a breakdown because ये symmetrical triangle है, इसमें breakdown भी हो सकता है. अगर breakdown होता है, I wouldn't be very worried. I will not go short on this stock. If there's a breakdown, I will simply ignore it for the price to come above 365 to get into a buy trade. The reason why I would not go in a short trade on this stock, my friends, is because if you see here, this is a good support level for this stock. It has been respecting it multiple times. So the price can come down here, take support and become in a range and then try to break out again on the top side. So this being a crucial support, I would not be interested in a short. Even if it breaks this level down, then again there is a trend line here as a second point of resistance. So the risk reward becomes highly unfavorable, my friends, on the short side. So I would not be interested in taking any short positions in SBI. But yes, if it gives me a successful breakout and close above 360, 365 levels, then we would be interested in taking a swing trade in this stock for a good 10 to 15% upside. I hope you're following my friends. I hope you like this analysis. Let's jump on to our next stock. Next stock is Birlasoft. Birlasoft is also respecting a beautiful trend line in the daily time frame. इसको 1 hour time frame में जाके समझ लेते हैं डिटेल में. So in the 1 hour time frame, it is consolidating in this range just above the trend line. It has already tested this resistance level multiple times. The more number of time any level gets tested, the level becomes weak. So I'm hoping that if it comes back to this level, if it retries this level again, and if it gives a clear breakout, then at a breakout and close above 362, we should look at a buying position in this stock. Our target should be 282. Stop loss would go either below this point or below this point. If you're in a positional trade, I will suggest to have your stop loss below this point, because there is a lot of confluence in this area and the price will really have to struggle to break down below this area. The sellers will have to work really hard to break the price down below 240 levels. Please don't forget to like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Let's move on to our next stock. As you can see, Aditya Birla Fashion Retail is in a beautiful ascending channel formation. Let's go to a lower time frame and understand this, my friends. As you can see here, the stock again took support from the bottom line of the channel and it started moving up. There is a resistance point for this stock here, which is this downward trend line in the hourly time frame, which it has been testing multiple times. The more time it spends in this zone, my friends, the more the consolidation here, given the multiple points of confluences. There is a strong support zone. There is the bottom of the channel, which will act as a trend line support for the stock. And there could be a potential breakout of the descending triangle pattern. With these three confluences in mind, if the stock post this consolidation or a built up gives a breakout or a breakout and a retest to this level, then we will go bullish on this stock at about 175 or above. So make a note of these three targets. Our first target for a swing trade would be 10%. The people who want to trail their stop losses and get into a positional trade, they can target the second level of 207, which is a 17% returns, and the third level of 220 to 225, which is about 25 to 28% returns here, my friends. I hope you like the analysis. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much. And remember, random actions always result in random outcomes. So always trade with a trading plan. God bless and thank you.